Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a pleasure to join you across time and space. If you're having a hard day, feeling overwhelmed by your work, school, relationships, feeling stressed, fed up with life, angry, loneliness, or perhaps even joyfulness, know that you're not alone and that millions of people can relate, if not billions of people can relate to the same struggles, the same worries. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust. Not just for ourselves, but for all the people out there that are having a hard time trusting today. Having a hard time feeling peaceful or joyful. I want you to breathe for those people as well as yourself. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be aware. You can lie down if you like, or sit up. Putting distractions to the side, putting the past to the side, letting go of future to come into this present moment, unlike any other moment that's been thus far. Becoming aware of your body. You can gently close the eyes, tuning deeper into your body. Becoming aware of how your body feels in this moment. Relaxing your face, the belly, the chest, dropping the shoulders away from the ears. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale, letting go of the past. The past is past. It's gone. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Doing good, my friend. Stay with me. Aware of your posture. Aware of how you're sat. Breathing in love for yourself. Exhaling love for other people. exhale, letting go of anger. Feeling anger and sadness leave the mind, leave the body as you come back into blessing of being alive. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, and breathing out. Breathing in peacefulness. And exhale, letting go of any self-hatred, shame, guilt, despair, leaving the mind, leaving the body. Breathing in strength. And exhaling with awareness. Every cell in your body breathing in. And every cell breathing out. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing the jaw, the lips, the forehead. You're safe to close the eyes. Opening your heart, even though it's vulnerable to do that. Having the courage to feel your heart opening like a lotus in the sun. Coming back into trust in the unfolding of life as you take a deep breath in. Hold. Continuing to hold. And exhale. If your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath, exhale, let go. Becoming aware of the spaciousness that is already inside you. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale, very slow, very soft. Bringing all your attention in, witnessing and welcoming yourself. And letting go of thoughts. Coming back into your body. Aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. Way to stay with it, my friend. So happy to have you joining me today. Breathing for ourselves and all the people out there who experiencing challenges, setbacks, some sort of suffering. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale, feeling more compassion. More compassion for the pain of yourself and the pain of other people. Having patience and understanding, not taking anything personal. Coming back into a kind heart. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in. And breathing out. Letting go of thoughts, letting go of storylines, letting go of self-limiting beliefs, letting go of scarcity mindset, coming back into your limitless nature, feeling yourself infinite, just like this life. Becoming aware of this moment as you breathe in and breathing out. Letting go of all that no longer serves you. Self-hatred, shame, guilt, feeling it leave the mind, leave the body. As you come back into trust. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. The color for today. Are you ready for it? The color for today is beige. The number is 2. And the animal is a swordfish. Becoming aware of your body, aware of your space, aware of how you feel after taking some deep breaths. Taking one last deep breath for now. Hold. And exhale. I thank you for joining me today, my dear friend. I'm sending you a big hug. Wishing you an abundance of love for yourself, an abundance of love for the people in your life, an abundance of love for the unfolding of circumstance that sometimes is beyond ourself. To have trust in the unfolding, that it's for our benefit, even when it's hard to see why or how. Trusting in the unseen intelligence of life. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.